Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pacey XO. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're returning, thank you for supporting me. Today I'm doing a crochet method with this V-part wig from Sunber hair. This is how the wig looks like. It's a kinky curly hair. The inside has like 4 clips and some combs on the inside, and it's an overall really nice wig. For this method, I like to split my hair in the middle and make sure I get that perfect middle part that I want, and I'm using this edge booster to smoothen out the middle of my part. This helps your natural hair look more smooth and blend better with the wig. So we're going to be creating 4 cornrows, 2 on one side and 2 on the other side. The cornrows on the far end of your head is going to hold the clip, and then the front is going to just be an open space for the crochet. So when you're cornrolling, the one on the end that I'm cornrolling right now, it doesn't really matter how close you get, but the one in the middle, you want to cornroll it far away from the middle part. This is to ensure that the wig looks more natural. When there's a little bit of hair in the middle, it just makes it look like the wig is coming out of your scalp. So this is how it should look when you're done braiding. Should be enough hair in the middle to create the illusion that this is your natural hair. You're going to clip the back on the middle braid, and then you're going to clip the front on the side braid, if that makes sense. So see how I'm clipping it in the back, and then when we go to the front, you clip it on the side. The one that was in the back is clipped in the middle, and then the one in the front is clipped on the side braid. So this is how the hair looks like when you're done clipping it. I just wanted you guys to see the texture. Now we're going to get into crocheting. This is the crochet needle that I used. Make sure it's the one that you can close, and you're going to grab a piece of the hair on the wig, take the needle and insert it underneath the braid, and then put the hair on the wig into the clamp, close the clamp, and pull the hair out as you see me doing. It's that easy. Like, it's literally like a real crochet but with a wig. Do the same thing, go underneath the braid, place the hair onto the needle, close the needle, and pull the hair. And you're going to repeat this same step on the entire head of hair.
And I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make.
I was really shocked with how natural the hair ended up coming out looking, but yeah, the process was really easy. As you can see, it's just like a typical crochet method. The only thing is that when I got to the other side of my hair, it kind of got a little hard, so I kind of had to like twist my arm a little bit to get it to work for the other side. But overall, this method was really easy. And don't forget to get the middle part of your hair and like the back so the tracks won't show. So try to grab a mirror, something, so you can see what you're doing in the back, and do the same exact method. Okay, so now we're on the other side, and as you can see, I tried to twist my hand. I put the needle through the braid and then put the hair in the clamp, close the clamp, and pull the hair out. It's that simple. Okay, so this is how the hair looks like when you don't fix it up and you just leave it as is, which I'm not going to do that, but this is the curls. This is how the middle of my hair looks like. So I wasn't really satisfied with how the hair looks like. I didn't want everything one length. So I did a trim, okay? Just a slight little trim, not too much, but just a little trim so that way the hair has more volume, more life, and it just creates a better shape for a better frame for my face anyway. So as I'm cutting, I'm really just kind of winging it. I'm trying to create I'm trying to perfectly frame it for my face. The bangs, I typically cut it up to my chin and then I continue from there and kind of just layer it as I go. So when I'm done trimming, I'm going to spritz the hair with some water as I'm already doing. And then after you're done, you're going to brush through the hair. So this whole process was so easy. I mean, it literally took me maybe 20 minutes to really be done with my hair. My hair takes me forever to do when I'm doing wigs and stuff. But this process was super easy. The hair was really good quality, as you can see. I'm brushing the hair, coiling it as I'm going. I recommend coil the ends of the hair. It takes away that dry, bushy look in the ends of the hair. But overall, this hair was really good quality and it didn't have a weird smell to it. It didn't tangle and it looked very, very natural, as you saw in the beginning of the video. So when I'm done brushing everything, I spritz the top of my head to take away any of the frizziness and just to blend everything better. And I'm gonna leave the hair alone. I'm gonna go and let it dry and then I'll come right back. And this is just how the hair looks like. I just wanted to show you guys up close when the hair is wet and brushed and everything, so you guys can really see the quality of the hair. And we'll be right back to see what it looks like when it's dry. Okay, we're back. That was quick. The hair is about 85% dry here. I was just ready to take it out and really see what the final result looked like. So I'm separating the curls and everything with my hands, and I'm going in the front, separating the curls, and it looks so freaking pretty. I'm so glad that I coiled it in the ends too, because it really made the curls pop. So when I'm done, I go in with a pick and pick the areas that I really want to have volume. I'm just picking the root though, not the actual ends of the hair, but picking the roots makes the hair have more volume, and it just brings that realistic feel to the hair. I'm going on the sides and I'm clipping it on the sides, and that's gonna add more volume. So I'm clipping that one side and then I'm gonna go clip the other side as well, and it just adds extra volume, and it honestly just makes it look that much more realistic. So this is how the hair ended up looking like in the end. I really, really like it. The middle looks very natural. You really can't even tell that this is fake hair or a wig. It kind of looks very, very much so natural. And these are the curls and the coils. It's so pretty. I'm so obsessed with this hair. people thought this hair was my actual hair, and I like that, okay, because it is my hair. It looks like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this wig. So it's really easy. You go in, like go underneath the braid and just pull the hair out. It's that simple. As you can see, I'm just going underneath the loop that I put the hair in, and I'm pulling it out. And if you're not able to pull the pieces of hair out, I recommend like unclipping it and then pulling, and that makes it a lot easier. But it's that simple. It's easy to do the process, it's easy to remove it. So no excuses. You need to try this look, okay? So I'm pretty much almost done with removing it, and you're gonna see what it looks like when we're done, and voila. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys try this look, definitely tag me on Instagram. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, and comment below if you have any questions. All the details of this wig will be in the description box below. Alright guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!